Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making a green smoothie bowl. Now this recipe is for those looking for a hearty, healthy, and tasty breakfast dish. This is the perfect way to incorporate extra nutrients and vitamins into your diet while still satisfying your taste buds. So, let's get started. Alright, so for the ingredients, we're going to need 2 cups of spinach, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of frozen pineapple, half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, half a cup of coconut water, and for my toppings, I'm going to use sliced strawberries, blueberries, sliced kiwi, sliced banana, some honey nut granola, as well as some chia seeds. Alright, so to get things started, in a large size blender, you want to add in our spinach, the frozen banana, the frozen pineapple, your vanilla Greek yogurt, and the coconut water. And to make it taste really good, throw in a like button too. It really helps the channel out, and I appreciate all your support. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more recipes like this one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And stay tuned until the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. Now, with all these ingredients in the blender, you want to blend it on high for at least 2 minutes or until the mixture is nice and smooth. And you also want to scrape down the sides of the blender as needed. And the resulting smoothie should be pretty thick. And that's mainly due to the frozen pineapple and frozen banana. But if you want it even thicker, you can always freeze the coconut water prior to adding it to the blender. And once this is all blended, you can store it in the freezer while you prepare your toppings. And as far as toppings goes, it really is all up to your own personal taste. I'll just run you through what I typically use for my green smoothie bowl. So starting off with the banana, you just want to remove the outer peel and create thin slices along the length of the banana. Next up we have the kiwi, and normally I do peel the kiwi prior to adding it to the bowl, but I feel like the outer skin on each slice is aesthetic, and so I'm just using that for presentation purposes this time. But you just want to go ahead and create thin slices along the length of a kiwi as well. Next up we have our strawberries, and the same thing goes. You want to create thin slices along the length of the fruit. And once that's done, we're ready to plate. So you can pour out your smoothie into a large serving bowl. Then you want to top it with your fresh fruit, namely your strawberries, your banana, and the kiwi. I also like adding a handful of blueberries and another handful of honey nut granola for a nice bit of texture in this dish. And for a final touch, I like to add on a sprinkle of chia seeds. And just like that, you've made a green smoothie bowl. Definitely one of my quickest recipes to master, and it's one of the best parts of waking up for breakfast. The key to making this recipe taste great is to use frozen fruit to provide that thick texture. And if you have any leftovers, you can store that smoothie in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 8 to 10 hours. And for another great breakfast bowl option, try my acai bowl recipe as well. I'll link that in the description box as well as a pop-up on the screen. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 2, Elevating Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button too to see more great recipes like this one, and hit that bell icon to be notified when my next video drops. And sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed this video and think someone else will, share this recipe to all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week, where we take a trip to the Caribbean islands with this amazing pina colada made from scratch. Well, thanks again for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Check out more recipes on my page now. You guys are the best. and I'll see you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.